Alright, YouTube, here we go again. This is Tyron here with We Auto Detailing. Today we had another good day for our car detailing business, man. So I'm going to get into the day in the life of a car detailing and fitness entrepreneur, and we're going to talk about all the things that I did today, and go around and just talk about, word of the day, how that affected me, and some of the things that happened. So just to get into it, man. So today we did our workout. Our workout was pretty good. I actually hit one of my personal best records on our snatch. So we did our CrossFit snatch today. We did a AMRAP, which included basically our snatches, and then we did our the rower. So it was on the rower for a little bit, and then we did our snatches. I believe that was it, but I can't remember exactly everything, but I believe that's all we did for today. I did push myself with the weight because I wanted to see how much I can do, and I also wanted to push myself when it came to the scrim. I'm starting to enjoy the scrim portion of my CrossFit workouts because it just makes me feel like I'm pushing myself beyond my capacity when it comes to the strength in the morning, and it's getting that muscle flex. And then when it comes to like the cardio and the fast paced 15 minutes at the end, I feel that basically that I'm actually going beyond my limits when it comes to just not giving up and having that endurance. So with both of those strength and endurance pushing throughout the morning, the CrossFit has been definitely a push for me for my workouts, man. So in addition to that, we got back to work today. I mean, I know it's been kind of crazy with my videos because of the fact that we've been pretty slow this last 2 weeks in Atlanta because of the snow. But today we was able to actually do a full day. Whenever we do like full days, as far as like we do our workout in the morning and then we do our car detailing, then that's when I drop my day in the life video. So today we did both of those things, and for my car detailing, I had one client, which was another client. She's not on the maintenance program, but she get her car like done every like 2 to 3 weeks at max. So she's on a consistent basis. Then I actually did a maintenance client, and then he added on a second car. So that's 3 cars. And then in addition to that, currently is about late in the evening, but we have one more detail that I'm going to send out to a contractor, a new contractor that I'm trying out today. Just see how he does. Hopefully, if he does a good job, we can continue to have a relationship and build a relationship as a contractor as things start to get better for the business. And hopefully, as we continue to grow, they can be value and we can offer value to them as well. So I'm looking forward to that. Looking forward to that contract. Just didn't want to work late, so I figured I'd give him an opportunity to, make money and also try him out as a contractor. So for today, my words is just, continue to work hard. You never know what's going to happen, and you just got to keep working and grinding every single day. And you may not see the rewards right then and there, but if you just keep working and keep working and working, then sooner or later those rewards will start coming, man. So like one thing I can speak on is just the fact that after all this time, we finally are at the point where we're monetized on YouTube. They haven't given us the official announcement because it takes a couple of days for them to upload and update the system with the information based on like the watch hours and stuff. But just according to my calculations and everything, we beat the watch hours. We're over it at this point, and now it's just a matter of us just continuing to work hard, continue to post our videos for y'all to see and enjoy. And yeah, so we did it, man. We accomplished that goal, and then we just gonna keep working hard. It's been a process. just mentally just trying to continue to work for something and get no reward for it. But over time, you hope that the reward will pay off. So this is the end phase, and hopefully there's some benefit to this journey. Even if anything, I learned like how to work hard when it comes to content, and how to learn certain things when it comes to recording, talking, and things like that. So overall, I'm just happy with that, and then just happy with where things are going forward. But yeah, man. So I that's my day. That's the day in the life. Like I say, fitness and business with car detailing, man. So y'all make sure y'all check out my live screens. Like I said, I do my live screens on a daily basis of my workouts at 9:15, and then I also do my car detailing live screens where I just record myself, detailing a car. For those who don't have experience, and for those who do, you get to see someone working day in and day out, recording cars and recording my detailing process, man. So you can always learn something from someone, and you can always grow, man. So I thank you all. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and tune in next time.